Good evening, Rutgers. Weather watcher Kyle Ryman here to close out your evening with your Saturday evening forecast. Starting off your forecast with your almanac for today, 37 this morning for our morning low, 9 degrees warmer than what it's usually supposed to be, but other than that, warmed up right on par for this time of the year. As we look at our records, quite a difference, 5 degrees as the low and 75 as our records for today. As we look at sunrise and sunset times, we'll be seeing a lot more sunshine tomorrow as we leap forward for daylight savings. Current temperatures right now across the Garden State, 39 in New Brunswick right now, and for the rest of the Garden State, temperatures slowly cooling down into the 30s. And a little bit of a cold pocket right now in southwest New Jersey with 27 in Millville. As we look at the current satellite and radar, no clouds, no precipitation whatsoever, except some scattered snow showers currently passing by Ottawa right about now. As we look out at the west coast, zooming out, you can see a lot of scattered rain, snow showers for the west coast, and some snow showers for up in Seattle and Portland as well. So our west coast states are getting a lot more precipitation than we are right about now. Now bringing it back to New Jersey with your forecast for tonight, temperatures will be cooling down into the lower 30s tonight, so some places will be seeing freezing temperatures tonight. But other than that, we'll be clear and the winds will be calm for tonight. But look at tomorrow morning, temperatures will be warming up considerably across the Garden State. Temperatures will be warming up in the upper 40s for tomorrow morning. Sunny skies for tomorrow, and will continue to warm up throughout the day tomorrow. As we look at our highs for the Garden State, temperatures will be almost along the 60s for tomorrow. But other than that, very beautiful day for tomorrow. As we look at weather for the next few days, will be nice to close out the weekend and the start of the work week. But unfortunately, though, a little bit of a front of showers will be passing through the northeast Tuesday evening for your evening commute. So make sure you pack an umbrella then. Other than that, we'll be clearing out Wednesday morning, bringing us some partly cloudy skies for Wednesday. And our next rainmaker is setting up to close out the work week. And stepping aside for your 7-day forecast, other than the fact that we're going to be losing an hour of sleep for tomorrow as we loop forward an hour, 59 and sunny is a very beautiful day for tomorrow, and we'll get even better looking at the start of the work week on Monday, 70 degrees and sunny skies. It feels a lot more like summer than spring. We'll be getting cloudy as we go into the evening. Those clouds will be making way for showers Tuesday evening with a high of 65 degrees. Looking at the rest of the work week, partly cloudy skies and highs in the mid to upper 50s, and will be much of the same picture going into the weekend, except we do have some showers for Friday. Other than that, your weekend next week will be partly cloudy and very beautiful. Rutgers, that's all I have here. You can tune in to RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. Leave a like on our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and use that hashtag RUWeather. And finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. I'm Weather Watcher Kyle Ryman. Enjoy the rest of your evening and hope you get an extra hour of sleep tomorrow.